Hi folks, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox the MI laptop which has a great features with great configurations. So let's quickly unbox the product. Let's see what's inside the product. So they have packed well. So from outside, let's quickly remove this top side. So if you see again, they have again given the box. So if you see this name MI notebook, so this is came from Xiaomi company, so that's good. We can trust them as they have so many service centers also and online support also they have provided. Before purchasing this, I have already checked with the service center peoples, so they have many branches in different locations. Then only I have purchased the MI laptop. So let's see about this laptop. So which is a 1.5 kg, so which is a lightweight, and it has a 14-inch display. If you see the bottom side, you have many features about the highlights of this laptop. So it has a sound of DTS effect, as well as it has up to 10 hours of battery backup. So it depends upon our usage. If you play games, how much hours means it's around to 5 to 6 hours battery backup it will come. If you streaming videos, watching videos on so many time, then it will around come to 5 hours time. So like that it will vary, depends upon our usage. So office use means it will come up to 9 hours to 10 hours. So it has a inbuilt SSD with 500 GB I have ordered. So we have different options, so you can choose along with that. So its material is robust metal body, so they have given that it's a metal body. Along with that, if you see, they have provided safety features also for laptop. So again, if you see right side, they have given a small box which contains a adapter as well as charger. Let's remove this so you can understand. Yeah, this is a long body they have given setup like this. So if you remove inside of this, this is the adapter. Along with that, we have this power cable. So let's put its back side. Yeah, let's quickly open this main box. It's our laptop. So we have to see the feature. Let's see inside of the box, then we can show you the specifications also. I will explain you, but setup process I will explain in another video. So this is the box inside material. So they have given one laptop along with that adapter and charger. So along with that, they have given a user guide also, so I will show you. So they have given mentioned caution also, so do not given to the babies or children. So let's quickly open this laptop. So if you see the outlook, so it's stunning and shining also outside. So if you see back side, they have given airflow also. So along with that, they have it's great, we have a 3.5 jack, and along with the USB 3.0 and USB 2.02 ports. This is HTML and power source. So nothing from anywhere. There is no CD drives also, so which is good. We are not moving towards the pen drive options and memory cards, HDDs, everything. So let's see this. So they have given branding on the MI on inside of the laptop. They have not given on the top side of the laptop. So it looks good. It's a steel body type, and its color coding is like this, silver side, and here the total side is black color. It's a i5 processor, if you see here. So they have already stick on that laptop. It has inbuilt Windows 10. Its licensed version will be provided. So I will show you in next video about this, how the setup will be there. And if you see, this laptops have 8 GB RAM. Along with that, you have minimum of I have ordered for minimum NVIDIA graphic card. So if you want more graphics, then you have to choose, and the price will be going to high. So I have taken a low budget one for my home purpose. So this is the looks, and they have given the details, and I will show you one more product also, so which is a cam. So they have given along with this with free of cost. So this is a MI webcam HD, so you can see, right? So let's quickly open this. Yeah, so this is a webcam, so we have to stick on the top side. So if you like this, it will be quite good. If you, I hope you can see the webcam. So this is the webcam with have 0.9 megapixel. If you want to change the 0.9 megapixel to low quality, then also you have options in the settings to reduce the megapixel size. So along with that they have given a user guide as well as warranty period also. So I will show you the warranty period. If you see, they have given for notebook 1 year and along with the power adapters for 1 year. So they have given support on the online also. So if you see this, they have given the details about the laptop. So first users, they can understand what we have to call the products. So it's like a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Mouse is like a touchpad. So like that they have given. Along with that, right side and left side, what is the inputs they have given, like what we can put, like power port. One is power port, one is data port. I like that they have given the details. Audio jack also available. So we can say that USB 3.0 is one and USB 2.0 is two ports they have provided. We have power button with light indication. And right side also, if you charge the laptop, then you will get the light indication on the right side of the laptop. If you see here, I hope so, this is the light indication. So if you are getting charged, then orange color. If it's fully charged, then it's green color. It's not that much sticky, so it's anytime it will be fall down. So be careful when we use the webcam. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please like and share the video, and for more videos like this you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.